Hi, Stefan Swartling here from Swartling Network. I got a new battery power pack from PNY provided by My Trendy Phone Sweden. And this battery pack, fully charged, can give 7,800 milliampere. So it's very, very powerful. And it works with Apple, Android, Windows, and BlackBerry devices. And you can charge two devices at the same time, so it's pretty nifty. And you have some kind of ultra fast charging. So let's open it. So this is what's in the box. A pretty heavy battery pack. Looks nice. Pure metal, aluminium or something. Very cool. And here is the two ports to charge with. You can see two different outputs. So the left port is a fast charging port. You can also see the input. The design is really nice. I like it a lot. Really cool design. I like the aluminium feeling of it. Very cool. And here is a display where you can see the charging, the power that is left on this battery. As you can see, 100% left. Really cool. What's more in the package? Of course, we have a USB cable to connect to the input so we can charge the battery pack. We have some warranty and instructions and so on. That's what's in this package. I like what I see. Now I wanna try this, of course, so we can see how good it is. And I think it will be very cool to use. Once again, this PNY PowerPack is provided by My Trendy Phone Sweden. Okay, bye.